Hello students, I am Abhijit Sagar, educator of Sri H. J. Gajera Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Uttaran. Today we learn very interesting and important topic of maths, circle and its parts. First of all, we learn what is circle. The collection of all the points from a fixed point. The collection of all the points from the fixed point, it is called circle. Then after, parts of circle. First of all, we learn what is a radius. The distance from the center of a point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. I repeat, the distance from the center to a point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. What is center? The fixed point is called center. The fixed point is called center. Then after, diameter. What is diameter? The distance across the circle through its center is the diameter of the circle. The distance across the circle through its center is the diameter of the circle. The diameter is twice the radius. The diameter is twice the radius. So we can write down the formula D is equal to 2R, and also we can write R is equal to D by 2. The terms radius and diameter describe segment as well as measures. The terms radius and diameter describe segment as well as measure. Then after, second point is the circumference. What is circumference? A circumference is a closed flat curve where all its points are equidistant from the fixed center point. Earlier we learned the center is a fixed point and circle is a collection of points at fixed point. This collection of points form closed figure. This collection of points form closed figure. These points are called, the curved surface is called circumference of the circle. I repeat, the circumference is a closed flat curve where all its points are equidistant from the fixed center point. The flat surface outlined by the circumference is called a circle. Parts of circle. Here we derive completely all the points: radius, diameter, center and circumference. We revise all points. First, radius is the measure from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. Then after, O is the center of circle. Then after, the diameter is measured from one edge to other passing through the center of the circle. Circumference, the curved flat surface, all the points of fixed point is called circumference of circle. Arc length of a circle. What is an arc? First of all, we learn what is an arc. An arc is a fraction of the circumference. Arc is a fraction of circumference. Here we are having two arcs, minor arc and major arc. The small part of the circumference, is called minor arc, and major part of the circumference is called major arc. That means the arc length of a circle. What is an arc? The arc is a fraction of circumference. Two type of circumference, two type of arc, major arc and minor arc. Small part is called minor arc, major part is called major arc. Next point, the area of sector. First of all, what is sector? A sector of a circle is region bounded by two radii and the arc of the circle. Look at the figure. Here, two radii and minor arc bounded by closed figure. This closed portion is called sector. This closed portion is called sector. Here, circle, here this figure is called sector. The length of the arc is fraction part of the circumference of circle. The area of sector is fraction part of the area of the circle. Here also two type of circle. First part is called minor sector. Second part is called major sector. So two type of sector, minor sector and major sector. Then after other point is segment. The segment of circle is region bounded a chord and the arc subtended by the chord. The segment of circle is region bounded by chord. You know very well about chord. Chord is a line segment of joining the two endpoints of circle is called chord, and the longest chord is called diameter. Here the segment of circle is region bounded by chord and the arc subtended by the chord. Here two type of segment, minor segment and major segment. Everyone look at the figure. Major segment, the major part is called major segment, minor part is called minor segment. Look at the here, both the figures, major sector, minor sector, major segment, minor segment. In this video, we learn the part of the circle and the segment and sector. I hope you all are enjoyed in this session. Thank you. Bye.